Yo, let me tell you about the boss of the game, IrixGuy. He's the king of AI, ain't no shame.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and this is how to create AI YouTube shorts. So go into your YouTube app, and I'm using YouTube app on my iPhone. And here towards the bottom, you'll see the plus sign. Click the plus sign. And then after you've clicked the plus sign, up here towards the top right, it looks like a little star with a orangish, reddish circle, pink, whatever. Click that. And now you're in the AI for YouTube Shorts interface. Now you can select video clips, images, or backgrounds. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to create a YouTube short video. So I'll click video clips, and it says describe what you would like to create. Well, let's create something crazy and see what it does. Let's go a realistic looking Bigfoot and realistic looking raccoon are dancing at Times Square. They are the center of attention, and Times Square is very crowded. So let's do that. You can choose various styles, but for this I'll just select none and I'll click create. It'll take a moment to create, and then we're going to see hopefully something really cool. Okay, well, it gave us 4 options to choose among. So we got this one. This one's at night, obviously. This one's kind of looks like a cloudy day. This one is, I don't know. Let's just pick one. Let's pick the one at night. So we picked this one, and now you can see that definitely looks like Times Square, and there's a crowd, and here's Bigfoot and a raccoon. So now what we can do is do create video, and this will create a video which then we can integrate into a YouTube short. So this is actually amazing because this is directly available within the YouTube app. At least it is for me. I don't know, comment below. I don't know if this is something available everywhere right now or not, but look at that. So there they are. Now, these clips, at least currently, you can see it's a pretty short clip. So let's do continue. And see, you can see here, so that's a 6-second clip. And we could trim it if we wanted to. So that's nice, it's got that functionality. So we'll do done. This message is because I'm using this through, I've got my iPhone connected to my Mac computer for screen recording. So now let's see, and I haven't tried this yet. We've got the 1 6-second clip. Let's see if it'll let us do another one. So I'm going to click that again, and then I'll do video clips, and then a realistic looking Bigfoot and realistic looking raccoon are skydiving or parachuting off of, or parachuting from the top of the Empire State Building in New York City. I'm just keeping New York City theme throughout this. I mean, no reason, just for illustration purposes. So now we'll do create. And that's the coolest thing, if you haven't realized it, This is creating videos based upon, oh, look at that, that's cool. Okay, so this one he's strapped to Bigfoot. That one he is also. That's a colorful parachute. I don't know, we'll pick this one. I think this one looks cool. So there it is. We'll do create video. It's amazing how fast it is. So I mean, it's literally generating this based upon the description that was typed in. Look at that. There's Bigfoot and a raccoon. That's cool. Look how the camera follows them. And then we'll do continue. Now, like the other clip, 6 seconds, and we have the ability to trim it if we want to, but actually I like all of it. So we'll do done. And now we've got, well, 6 plus 6 is 12. Let's just do those two. So we can do check mark. And then once we're here, so this is our first clip, and then I expect it'll, yep, and then it plays our second clip. Here you can go in like you may be already used to and add, customize the video, but I'm just going to keep it as is. You could add sound if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and click next. Now it's doing processing. And then here we can do the upload. I'm not going to name it yet. I'll do all that later. This stuff here should be self-explanatory if you've ever uploaded a YouTube short. But I hope this tutorial helped, because if you're like me, you wanted to know how to create an AI video clip for YouTube Shorts. And the coolest part is, as you just saw, I created this AI video clip, which, by the way, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and check out my shorts, and you'll see this video that I'm about to upload. But, I mean, how cool is that? Super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and upload, and then I'll publish it after after I finish creating this tutorial. So thanks for your viewership. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do. That'll notify you whenever I post another video. And also, if you really found this to be of value, feel free to send me a super thanks. It's not required, but if you choose to do so, you can click that thanks button down below this video and toss me a super thanks. It helps to support my channel and the creation of videos like this one. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.